Good morning, guys. I hope you're going to have a good day today. Alright, we're going to get into our phonics lesson today. Remember yesterday we talked about those short vowels. And I told you that's what we were going to be working on this week. And it seemed like you guys remembered a lot about short vowels from first grade, but it's just something we have to make sure that we know how to do. So we're going to practice it a little bit more. As you can see here, I have your list of spelling words, and I posted them on your ELA V2 team yesterday too. You need to make sure that you're studying these words and you can spell them, because we are going to have a test on them next Wednesday, which will be September the 16th. So that will be the day you will have your test on these words to make sure that you know how to spell them. Alright, before I get into any short vowels, there was something I wanted to talk about, and it seemed like from the work you did yesterday you understand it pretty well. But yesterday it asked about rhyming words. And I hadn't really taught anything about rhyming words, and I know that it's a skill from kindergarten and first grade, but I just wanted to make sure, because I found out in my class when I was teaching earlier this year that a lot of kids still don't really know what a rhyming word is, or they can't find a word that might rhyme. So we're going to just take this word right here. What's this word? Very good. Tug. Tug. Like when you tug something, you kind of pull it. Well, if a word rhymes with tug, it's going to have the same ending sound. Sometimes it's not always spelled the same, but it's always going to sound the same at the end. For example, if I pull job up here, does tug and job sound the same at the end? Let's see, job, ob. No, they don't sound the same. So do those two words rhyme? No. Only words that rhyme are words that sound the same at the end. So I bet you guys could think of some words that maybe would rhyme with tug. Yeah, like maybe this one. I bet you know what I'm writing. It's kind of messy, but yeah, rug. That's really messy. But tug and rug. What about this one? I bet you know what I'm putting. Yeah, tug and rug and bug. They all rhyme because they all have the same ending sound. That's what makes a word rhyme. I just wanted to go over rhyming words real quick because, like I said, it was on your practice work yesterday and it's going to be on your work again today. So I wanted to make sure that you understood about rhyming words before we went on. But remember, rhyming words are always going to sound the same at the end. And if I'm looking at this list right here, I was looking to see if any of our spelling words rhymed, but I didn't find any that rhymed. Did you see any that rhyme? No. Me either. If you happen to think of ones that rhyme, you can always send me a chat and we'll look at them later and see if they really do rhyme. But I was having trouble. I couldn't find any rhyming words in our spelling words. But I know other words might rhyme with them, but none of these words would rhyme with each other. Alright, let's go into our short vowel lesson then. I'm going to roll that up so it's kind of out of the way. Alright, so we already looked at tug. Let's pull it back over here. Tug. What short vowel does it have? Sorry, I'm just trying to move that out of the way. There we go. What short vowel does it have? What vowel sound? Good. It's got U. So I'm going to write a big U up there because this one has like you. Very good. Well, we already talked about job. Let's pull it over here. What vowel sound does job have? Job. Exactly. It's got an O sound, so I'm going to write an O and put it right there. What about this word? What's this word? Tell. Good. Tell. So what's the vowel sound in tell? Good. It's got an E vowel sound. We'll put an E up there. I'm going to connect that in. There we go. Alright, well, what about this one? Woo, sorry. I did not know it would move the whole thing. Let's try this one. What's this one have? Very good. What's this word? Very good. Sounding out each letter. H-M. Very good. Him has the I sound, so we could write an I. And then that leaves, oh, what about this one? What's that one have? Good. This is the word has. Good, has. And it has the A sound. Very good, the short A. Alright, so you have, looking at the rest of the words here that are left, you can tell that some of them have very different vowel sounds. I'm going to give you an assignment in just a second where you're going to have to draw lines to put each word in the correct vowel sound as what it has. Very good, the correct vowel sounds, because they all do have different vowel sounds, because that's what our phonics skill is this week, are those short vowels and making sure that we know what they sound like and we can spell words that have them. Alright, do you think you can do that? Oh, I know you can. Alright, good luck.